Hope that you have liked the video, and we will meet again in our next video release of the tutorial. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the information of the next release of the tutorial. Please share it with your friends and others also. Thank you for the time being. Take care. Stay at home. Bye bye. Take care.
So a very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Welcome back to the class, class of grade 6, and this is the first session for this new chapter that we are going to start in history. Chapter number 4 about the first cities. Chapter number 4, as it is saying, we are going to learn all about many things. A lot of information we are going to get about the first cities that was in the world, you can say. So we are just talking, going to discuss about the Indus Valley civilization. Indus is the name of the river. So the people who were just living in and around that river Indus, that particular civilization came to be known as the Indus civilization. So we have to go through the word civilization first, what it means over here. You can see, my students, the term civilization has come from the Latin word that is known as civis, which means citizen. है ना, which means citizens और the townsman, यानी टाउन में जो रहते हैं या citizens जो होते हैं उनको हम लोग कहते हैं city civilization. So it is the total accomplishment. Accomplishment means achievement. So it is the total achievement of the human society in terms of agriculture. So that is the achievement in the field of agriculture, in the field of labor, population increase and urbanization. That is the thing that are included in civilization. It means there was a group of people, those are known as citizens or the townsmen also, and who were quite successful in achieving a lot of things, new development in the field of agriculture, labor, and even their population increased and they just moved towards the urbanization also. यानी वो रूरल से क्या है शहर वाले बनने लगे, गांव से जो है वो धीरे धीरे शहर में चेंज होने लगे. That was the civilization we are talking about. That is known as civilization. So the people who were living near the river Indus and they developed the methods of agriculture, urbanization, they changed themselves into urbanization. Those people are known as Indus Valley civilization people. So they flourished on the banks of the river Indus, beginning sometime around 2500 before the birth of the Jesus Christ. So BC 2500 BC से पहले की बात हो रही है ना? That is the time around 2500 BC. This civilization developed around the same time. This civilization means Indus civilization in India. It was developed with at the same time when this Indus Valley civilization was developing here. So there were many other civilizations which was developing throughout the world, and they were Egyptian, Mesopotamian, and the Chinese civilization. So around same time, 2500 BC only, around this time, these other civilizations were also developing. And who are these other civilizations? Egyptian, Mesopotamian, and the Chinese one. It is also called the Harappan civilization. This Indus Valley civilization is also known as Harappan civilization because there is a reason. This particular Harappan civilization were known as Harappa. They were known as Harappa also. You can see. Now it is in Sahiwal. So, my dear students, we were discussing why this Mesopotamian, this particular Indus Valley civilization were also known as Harappan civilization. Actually, this Harappa is a place now it is in Pakistan, but around this time 2500 BC there was no Pakistan. So this Harappa is now in Pakistan, in the Sahiwal district of Pakistan. And it was the first site to be discovered in the year 1921 by Daya Ram Sahani. That's why this particular Indus Valley civilization is also known as Harappan civilization, because it was the first site to be discovered in the year 1921 by Daya Ram Sahani. तो ये पहला site था जिसको discover किया गया in the year 1921. And in 1921, Dr. Rakhal Das Banerjee discovered Mohenjo-daro in Narkana district of Sindh, है ना. So Mohenjo-daro also one of the civilization है, ये भी एक civilization है, which was found and discovered in the Larkana district of Sindh, which is also now in Pakistan. So both the Indus Valley civilization that we are going to study and as well as Mohenjo-daro, they are now in Pakistan. So besides this Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, other sites where remains of the Indus Valley civilization have been found are also. So the remains of the Indus Valley civilization are also found, have also been found, not only in Mohenjo-daro, not only in this Harappa district of Sahiwal district of Pakistan, Harappa place. The remains, the bodies, the many things were also found regarding this Indus Valley civilization in these places: Ropar in Punjab, Lothal in Gujarat, Kalibagan in Rajasthan, Banwali in Haryana, Alamgirpur in Uttar Pradesh, and Chanhu-daro in the Sindh. So these are also the places where the remains of Indus Valley civilization, remains means leftover things, बचे कुचे चीज वो और भी मिले हैं Indus Valley civilization के इन जगहों पर, है ना. These are the name of the places. And you can see one of the structure that was found related to this Mohenjo-daro. This is the one of the structure which is found, which has been found in the Larkana district, that is Mohenjo-daro, about the Mohenjo-daro civilization, and this is one of the structure that you can see over here. So let us start studying a lot about the Harappan culture also. The Harappan culture covered parts of Punjab, Sindh, Baluchistan, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and as well as parts of western Uttar Pradesh. So these are the places which has been covered by this Harappan culture. And Harappan culture को follow करने वाले लोग यहाँ रहते थे. These are the places: Punjab, Sindh, Baluchistan, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and the part of western Uttar Pradesh also. Let us see what else are written over here. The most recent site that was discovered in the year 1991 is Dholavira, that is in the Kutch district of Gujarat. तो सबसे जो करीबी में जो मिला है, that was in the year 1991, and you can see the first site was discovered in the year 1921. You can see by Daya Ram Sahani, that was 21. So this is the latest site. 1991 में एक site नजर आया है which have been found in Dholavira district, that is Dholavira, which is a place in the Kutch district of Gujarat. So a lot of information from this particular site also have been discovered, and a lot of things we are coming to know about the ancient people. Now, if someone asks you why these people settle near the Indus Valley civilization, near the Indus River only, why they have settled, why these Mohenjo-daro and Harappan, they settled there. So the reason for the settlement of these big cities, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, in the valley of Indus River were many. There were many reasons why they settled in the valleys of the Indus River. Valleys are the places in between the mountains. So these people just settled themselves in between these valleys, which was around the Indus River. And the reasons were because they settled in these places. The reasons are: number one, the rivers provided plenty of water for growing food. Yes, the river of course will provide you a lot of water for growing food, for doing agriculture work. So that's why one of the reason the people have settled around this river. The climate, because there is a river nearby, so the climate will also be not too much warm. So the climate was warm, the climate was moist also, the air was having water, so moist water, humidity was also there. So the climate was very favorable for the people to live in and around the Indus River. The land was extremely fertile for growing wheat, barley, sesame, and mustard. So land was also very good, very fertile one for growing these particular things, particular eatable things, which are wheat, barley, sesame and mustard. ये सब बहुत आसानी से grow हो पाता था because the land was very fertile, zarkhez होता था ज़मीन. It was having a lot of moisture and a lot of minerals also in the land. That's why it was very good for growing these crops, as well as this sesame oil and mustard seeds also, which we can use for generating oil, for getting the oil. Even silt bearing floods by the river Indus kept the land fertile, because there were many floods also, because the Indus river is there, so there might be flood also. So the flood used to carry along with a lot of silt. Silt is a very fine you can say fine sand, it is fine soil. Silt is a very fine soil which is very good for growing the crops. So a lot of silt used to come into the land, which make the land very fertile for growing a lot of crops such as wheat, barley, sesame and mustard. So we have discussed about the civilization. So let us discuss about the culture also. Culture comes from also Latin word. So the civilization comes from the Latin word, as well as the culture also comes from the Latin word. And that Latin word is cultura, which means to cultivate. So here the word culture means what? To cultivate. It includes technology, art, science, as well as moral systems and the characteristics of behaviors and habits of the mankind. So culture not only includes the technology, art and science, but also it includes the behaviors and the habits of the mankind. यानी आपका behavior और आपके habit, आपके आदतें और आपका काम जैसे आप करते हैं, आपका behavior, ये सब include हो जाता है culture में. When we say culture, it means your behavior, your habits of mankind, and the use that how are you using the art, technology, science, all include in this culture. So we are going to learn all about the Harappan, the Mohenjo-daro, their culture, their civilizations. So just now we have come to know about why these people were settling around the Indus Valley, around this Indus River, why they were settling down around these places. We have just come to know. So my dear my dear students, then you can see over here Indus Valley civilization that started from 2500 BC and it lasted till 1500 BC, and then from 1500 BC the decline of this Indus Valley civilization that started out. So we have to see what were really going on in the cities of Harappa and the cities of Mohenjo-daro. So the cities, these are especially the name of the cities, Harappa and the Mohenjo-daro are especially the name of the cities. And really it will be quite amazing, my dear students, when we will know how they plan their cities. Really very good one. The cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were divided into two parts. दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किए हुए थे ये सिटीज को उन लोगों ने, द हरप्पा एंड द मोहनजोदारो, एंड दे वर कॉल्ड द अपर टाउन एंड द लोअर टाउन. They were calling they have just divided the cities, both the cities Harappa and the Mohenjo-daro were the two cities, and both of the cities were divided into two parts. Part number one upper town, and the second part was known as lower town. And we have seen one of the structure of the Mohenjo-daro in the first page. Let me show you in that page the structure of Mohenjo-daro. This one you can see over here. So this is one of the structure which have been constructed on the raised ground, यानी जमीन से ऊपर इसको बनाया गया है. So this is known as the upper part, or you can say the topmost part, है ना, जिसको जमीन के ऊपर थोड़ा बनाया जाता था, upper town जिसको कहते हैं. और एक जो जमीन के बराबर में होता था, that is with the level of the land, which is known as lower town. So the citadel means what? Structure. The structure was built on a raised ground. Raised ground मतलब जहाँ पर जमीन ऊंचा रहता था वहां पर इसको बनाते थे वो लोग upper town को, यानी ऊपर रहने वाले शहर. It had high walls to protect it from the floods, और बहुत ऊंचे ऊंचे दीवार बनाते थे ये लोग, so that they will be protected from the flood from the river. तो रिवर में जो फ्लड आ जाए रिवर की वजह से, उससे बचने के लिए they were just constructing high walls. It contained public buildings और ये अपर टाउन में कौन कौन सी चीज होते थे? पब्लिक बिल्डिंग्स, यानी कि आप समझ सकते हैं गवर्नमेंट बिल्डिंग्स, जहाँ पर गवर्नमेंट का काम होता हो, है ना, पब्लिक बिल्डिंग्स। ग्रैनरीज वेयर दे यूज्ड टू स्टोर अ लॉट ऑफ देयर ईटेबल्स, है ना, क्रॉप्स को वो स्टोर करते थे, एग्रीकल्चर जो करते थे, खेती वगैरह करते थे, वो खाने पीने की चीजों को वो लोग ग्रैनरीज में स्टोर करते थे। एंड दिस वाज आल्सो बिल्ट इन द अपर टाउन, एंड दे वर आल्सो बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्टिंग वर्कशॉप ऑल्सो। तो ये लोग वर्कशॉप भी बनाते थे, यानी कि काम करने की जगह वो भी बनाते थे यहाँ पर अपर टाउन में, बिकॉज दे वांट टू प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्व्स फ्रॉम द फ्लड एंड अदर कैलामिटीज ऑल्सो। The remarkable thing about the arrangement of houses in the cities was that they were just following the grid system. Remarkable यानी बहुत अच्छा चीज जो है उनके cities जो घर में घर बनाते थे वो cities में, that they were following some type of grid system. Grid system को वो लोग follow करते थे. Now what was that grid system? Let me tell you. Roads cut across one another. यानी road जो है आपस में cross करते थे एक दूसरे को, है ना. The road was crossing each other. That was a really beautiful, wonderful system of raising the cities and creating the towns, and that was really quite wonderful. Let me show you. Like this one they were doing, they were just crossing the road from each other, one from here, then the other from here. They were crossing these roads. Like this one they were creating roads, like this one, like this one they were creating the type of structure. They were creating the cities and the roads like this one. Okay, hope you got this one. So you can see roads cuts across another almost at right angle, and you can see the roads were cutting them around right angles like this. You can see right angle means that is 90 degree. So road was cutting each of them in this right angle in this portion, and one road is there and the other road is there. So like they were just creating this type of road. And later on I will show you a lot of things in this my dear student. Almost right angle, and the city was divided into so many blocks, और cities को वो अलग अलग blocks में divide कर देते थे, है ना. All the cities were connected to each other but they were divided into different blocks. जैसे कि आप देखेंगे square blocks होता है आपके mathematics copy में, है ना, mathematics notebook में, ठीक उसी तरीके से वो लोग अपने cities को divide करते थे. The use of burnt bricks यानी bricks वो जो जलाए जाते हैं, यानी that was quite strong bricks. Still you can find such type of bricks in the Nalanda city which is in Bihar. So Nalanda जाके आपने देखा होगा कि कितने bricks जो है वो कितने strong होते हैं. How strong are the bricks over there? So the use of burnt bricks in the Harappan cities was remarkable. बहुत उम्दा काम करते थे वो लोग, बहुत अच्छा काम burnt bricks से. The most important building in the citadel at Mohenjo-daro was the Great Bath. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बिल्डिंग जो रहा that was in the citadel मोहनजोदारो was the great bath, यानी कि वो बात करने का जो सिस्टम उन लोगों का था, नहाने का, है ना, to take bath, they have just created, or you can say just constructed a great bath for taking bath in the Mohenjo-daro city, and that was the most important building because in those particular great bath they used to take bath during religious time, during festival time वो लोग जाके वहाँ पर bathing करते थे. And now we are going to learn about the lower town. So whatever we have discussed till now, that was about the upper town. अब lower town में क्या होता था जरा देखते हैं हम लोग. The lower town was much bigger, है ना. लोअर टाउन जो है वो और ज्यादा बड़ा होता था, एंड इट कंटेन हाउसेस ऑफ द कॉमन पीपल, और आम आदमी वहां रहते थे. कॉमन पीपल दे यूज्ड टू बिल्ड देयर हाउसेस इन द लोअर टाउन. The houses were generally of 1 or 2 story, यानी कि 1 या 2 स्टोरी वाला बिल्डिंग बनाते थे वो लोग, है ना, 1 story या 2 story. Rooms were built around the courtyard. Courtyard किसको बोलते हैं? बीच में क्या होना चाहिए? आंगन, और चारों तरफ से क्या होते थे? Rooms. So this type of rooms they were building around the courtyard. Courtyard means क्या बोलते हैं? Courtyard का मतलब आंगन होता था, बीच में blank space खाली जगह होता है, और चारों तरफ से फिर वो लोग क्या बनाते थे? रूम बनाते थे. So they were building rooms around the courtyards, and you can see each house had a bathroom and a toilet. तो एक हर हाउस, हर घर के लिए एक सेपरेट बाथरूम और एक टॉयलेट भी बनाते थे वो लोग. Some even had wells, और कुछ घरों के साथ क्या होता था? वेल्स भी. Still now in the villages you can find such type of rooms, such type of houses where there is a blank space in the middle and the rooms are built around that particular blank space, and in that blank space they might have a tube well or a well. They might have a common tube well or well so that everyone can use. So everyone can use, and every house was having a bathroom and a toilet. और हर घर में क्या होता था, एक बाथरूम और टॉयलेट भी बनाते थे वो लोग. The house were also provided with doors and small windows also. So house was also having small doors, small windows, छोटे छोटे दरवाजे और खिड़कियां भी होती थी. So that was really a wonderful creation from the Mohenjo-daro as well as in the Harappan cities that was found, lower town and upper town. Now we are going to discuss about the drainage system.
Hope that you have liked the video, and we will meet again in our next video release of the tutorial. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the information of the next release of the tutorial. Please share it with your friends and others also. Thank you for the time being. Take care. Stay at home. Bye bye. Take care.